Beauty in Essex, we decided for Mother's Day that we wanted to do dishes inspired by our mothers. I have created a dish, it's Swedish Pancakes. It's actually from my great-grandmother. She moved here when she was 9 years old from Sweden, came across a boat, came to the States, and has kept those traditions within our family. So I want to do a little rendition of my own Swedish pancakes. I fill it with vanilla mascarpone, and then on the top I do a lingonberry and maple syrup. One of the things that when I remember making Swedish pancakes, I actually remember it on our trips. When we used to go skiing on the weekends, or we'd do a long family trip together. And I definitely remember that. I remember my Aunt Donna making them. I remember my great-grandmother making them, you and I making them.
Grandma lived to be well over 100, and so to celebrate her 100th birthday, all of her grandchildren pretty much got together and we created a cookbook. We wanted Grandma to be remembered. So we had pictures of Grandma when she was 100, and then pictures of Grandma when she was, like, you know, younger, and her whole family down here, so we have all of that. And then we all signed it for her, and then we have a lot of her recipes. So here's the Swedish pancakes. Everybody's stealing your Swedish pancake recipe now.
Traditionally, when we would make it growing up, it was just the Swedish pancakes, powdered sugar, and then lingonberries. We do a lingonberry jam that went on top of it. And then I definitely have kind of changed it where it's like now I'm filling it with vanilla mascarpone. I'm doing strawberries in with it, maple syrup. I've got fresh blueberries that go on top. So it's a family recipe that we all have in our repertoire, and we all share, and our kids all know. And so I think everyone should come down to Beauty in Essex on Mother's Day and try some of Sarah's Swedish pancakes. I think it would be nice to keep the tradition of Ruth going. Have some Swedish pancakes on the family.